Hey guys, what is up? It's Budget Zero Film, BZF, and I'm here. This is Joseph, and I'm going to show you how to make an awesome little, what do you call it? Kind of like a fig rig, I guess. This is mine, and I'll show you just how to make that, and it's really awesome. But I stole the design. I made this out of pens, cardboard, tape, whatever, but I stole the designs from, well, not stole, I enhanced the designs from this guy, the Frugal Filmmaker. So go check out his channel. He has some great tutorials, but he makes it out of PVC, and it costs about $5 and a trip to Home Depot. So that's why I made this one, just because it's basically the same model, except you don't have to go to Home Depot, and you don't have to pay any money because it's made out of trash, and it's really sturdy. So check it out. Materials: an assortment of old pens, pencils, whatever you can find around your house. If you really want to, you can even use sticks, but I would recommend sticking with this. Cardboard, some newspaper, a little nail or screw thingy that will stick into the bottom of your camera like a tripod would, and duct tape. The tools you'll need are a hot glue gun and some scissors. The first step is to make the layout. I did the bottom, the top, and got 3 groups of 4 of the same pens but different colors for the poles that will support them on this side, and this side. So then you duct tape all the groups together. Try and make them as even as possible, and the ones that are going to be standing up, try and make them the most even, but hold off on the bottom thing, the bottom line, whatever. Don't tape that yet, because there's the top, this is the bottom, so those are both taped. Do not tape this one. Do not touch this one yet. So you're going to tape, you're going to make 2 pairs, and you're going to tape them at the top really tight, but do not tape them at the bottom yet, okay? And you want there to be a really small, teeny opening, but you don't want it to be too big because it's going to squeeze that little screw in, so you'll see. So now basically you're just going to hot glue this little screw in between here, but these are going to kind of clamp around it, and as you can see, you don't want it to be too far forward or too far back, because this is going to be where the camera stands. And okay, so you're going to do that, and then you're going to hot glue this one over that, and obviously it's going to be straighter and more even, but I can't do this with 2 hands, so I'll just hot glue it and then show you what it looks like. So I glued down the screw in here, and it's really strong and sturdy right now because I also duct taped the end together, and it's really clamping down on this. Now what I'm also going to do is duct tape here and duct tape right next to it, and I'll also duct tape there, I guess, just because I don't want the pens to come out of the caps. But you're going to duct tape basically all around it, and you're also going to duct tape this down here because you don't want your camera to fall out. It probably won't in this situation because this is really strong, but you don't want to take any chances. You know what, actually, I think I'm going to get another pen and put it under here and then tape that to the rest of it. You'll see what I mean in a second. So here it is. I got one more pen, and I taped it right where the screw, or the bottom of the screw was, and I taped that here, and I also did one more over here to keep the caps from coming off. So this is in really tight. I'm pressing down as hard as I can, actually, and there's absolutely no way it's going to come out. So your camera is going to be really sturdy if you do this right. So now you're going to realign everything together, and And what you want to do is measure out, well, not measure out, you can just put them side by side. You'll see in a sec, watch. Sorry for that camera stuff, but you want to make sure, I know this is not straight, but I've already measured it out. You want to make sure that these are about the same length, and then you're just going to tape them together. You're going to smush them together, and then just tape it down really tight. So those are taped together. Nice and tight. And now's the cardboard process, which we're also going to do with those. So now I'm going to show you how to make this. This thing is really, really strong. Check this out. Watch. It would probably take a lot to break that thing. So first what you need to do it is you need that long part and some cardboard that's the same size. Now I found that the Capri Sun box is the exact right size, so that works really well for me. You're also going to need some newspaper for this. So just rip up some newspaper, and you'll also need your scissors to be able to cut it, or to fold it easier, and then your hot glue gun. So first you're going to put this and this thing on the cardboard and just line it up so that the ends are the same. And what you're going to do is you're going to use the scissors to cut in along the side of this, okay? Once you've cut along the side of it, it'll be really easy just to bend it up. It'll be a nice, smooth 90-degree angle if you bend it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's fine if it's not, because as in this one, you're just going to put duct tape over it. So once you're going to have this one right here, like this, and you're just going to do that again. You're going to do it right there, and again, until you have a full box. Except you also want to have, say we haven't done the box yet, okay? But we still want this here, because this needs to bend over the side, like right here, so that it'll just stay easier. And you'll see what I mean in a sec. To show you what I meant by the 5 sides, this is what I mean. So that's in there, and you're just going to fold it over like this, but then you want to have this side coming over. So you're going to use hot glue just to glue this down. You only need to do it to one side. So that's glued down, and look, see? And now you're just going to bend over the sides like this, and I'm going to do this, and you're just going to use duct tape to tape it down. You can do it in the middle and on both ends. And there you go. Now I still have these opened ends, and wherever there's gaps, I'm going to need to put in some newspaper. Just stuff it in, get like the end of a pen or something to stuff it in.